So today we'll be in Port St Lucie checking out a new construction model home in a private community. Recently, I've been able to get clients of mine deals on homes that are move-in ready and incentives when they want to build. So if you are looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me personally and I can help you too. So this model is a part of their 3-car garage series of homes and showcases their coastal style elevation. Coming in at 2,807 square feet under air, this Venice floor plan is built as a 3-bedroom home, each with their own ensuite bath, plus a den with double French doors that can be used as either an office or a separate living room. Off from the foyer, there's a powder room for guests, and at the center of the home is where you'll find the open concept kitchen that overlooks the great room, dining room space, and covered lanai. This is considered a triple split floor plan, meaning that each of the bedrooms are tucked away from each other for more privacy from the entertaining and common space. The master suite has dual walk-in closets and a tub in the bathroom. And the community where they build this home in Port St Lucie is a more established active adult resort community, so you don't have to wait for promised amenities to be built, and you can jump in right away and plug into the lifestyle. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this here in Port St Lucie, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.